Southern has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Greene County in south-central Wisconsin, western Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, Rock County in south-central Wisconsin, until 3:30 p.m. At 2:29 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Belleville to near Rock City, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Janesville, Beloit, Whitewater, Monroe, Elkhorn, Delavan, Milton, Edgerton, Evansville, Brodhead, Williams Bay, Walworth, Belleville, New Glarus, Clinton, Fontana on Geneva Lake, Sharon, Darien, Orfordville, and Brooklyn. A tornado warning is also in effect for southern Greene and Rock counties. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.